Yo, what's up with y'all boys? You know what I'm saying? Yo, bruh, I just woke up, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and I was like, man, let me do a video for y'all boys today. Nah, this is a different video. First time doing it. So I'm gonna let y'all in on my drip. What I be wearing. Listen, if I'm shopping online, I'm always looking for deals. Looking for deals. Deals gonna help you out. I'm telling you, deals gonna help you out. You can get a whole bunch of lot of stuff with deals, man. I'm telling you. But listen though. So we're gonna do my first unboxing clothes video. I shop at a lot of places, but damn, I forgot what I was finna say. Oh yeah, but I ordered this time from Rue21. I used to shop there, but the mall used to always go to, they shut down and stuff. So I went online, we just searching online. I got bored. And shit, let me just go order some clothes. So we're gonna do our first unboxing video. So first, and I got so many jean jackets. It don't make no sense, bro. You can tell I woke up because I still got a bag on my eye. But it's not the video. But the first one is this black jean jacket. Now this shit so hard, boy, I'm telling you. See, look, this shit so hard, Got the slim. This is from Rue21, bro, It's something light. And it's light as fuck, too. This black jean jacket, Bro. Don't steal my drip. So that's all I'm saying. Like, don't steal my drip. Let me let your boys see me, bro. But yeah, it's something light, bro. I just bought it just to buy it because I like the pattern on it. And then I got an acid wash jean jacket. Bro, right now I got three black jean jackets, bro. This one, I got another one. They got like patches in it. Alright, these joggers right here, bro. There, you can't see them. Oh, there you go. Alright, they, they fire, they fire, if you wear the right things with it. Like if you wear the right shoes, the right shirt, your drip gonna be nice, I got these right here. I like these. They have some gray ones this way. You can't see it. It's like a neon color. But they had some gray ones too, like these. I was finna get them, but I was like, nah. I'll probably get them like next time or something different. They navy blue and like they a neon green color. I don't know what I'm gonna wear with these bad boys, but I had to cop them. That's the stuff that I already opened and shit. But this right here, let me open it for y'all. I don't know if some of y'all was born, but I got a Leah shirt, a Leah vintage shirt. That's what it. Yeah, vintage shirt. I like this. They had a whole bunch of Aaliyah shirts, but I like this one better. I don't know why, but I like this one better. I'm gonna rock that bit with all that. Look, bro, I got a whole bunch of shit. Damn. I should have just opened these shits, man. I should have just opened them before I even started the video. It would be easy. And I got some light shit, another vintage shirt, yeah, I guess. But yeah, I seen a model with this shirt and this together. I mean, on him he looked alright, you know, but on me, I'm rock that bitch. Rock that. But I really should have just opened all these before the video. Don't ask me why I got so many black shirts. I got a lot of black shirts. I don't know. But yeah, I got another vintage shirt, the Tupac shirt. I don't know what I'm gonna wear with this yet. But when they do, when I put that bitty together, that bitty gonna be jump through the window, stand through, don't fucking run drown off this way. Bruh. I'm telling you, this shit's sick. You can go off. And I got a neon green shirt. Oh, that's the back. Nah, I like this shirt right here. Let's say back off. I like this shirt. Back off. But I'm telling you, bro, like, you don't always have to put all your colors together to have drip. I mean, it's alright to put all your colors together, but half of the time, some of these people don't even wear the same colors and it still be looking good. You don't want to do too much. You don't want to do a little bit. If you do it just right, boy, I'm telling you, bro. I'm giving y'all tips on how to dress. Y'all ain't fucking with me. I this purple bro. I don't got no purple shirts, bro. But I like this shirt right for some reason, bro. I don't know why. I just had to cop that bit, bro. I don't know why. On the website, I seen a model with this shirt on, and he had some black and purple track pants on, but I was like, no. I mean, I wasn't like no. I was just like, nah, I don't really like it. But once I put that bit together with some shoes, bro, I'm telling you right now. Alright, so this just a plain shirt, kinda. Yo, my favorite color is red. Red, gold, red and gold. But I like this shirt with the 40 on it. The 40. Oh shit, I didn't even see that when I was looking at it online. Got a little bottle drip. I mean, it's a plain shirt. But once you put it together with some pants and some shoes, some hard shoes, some hard pants, hey, boy, you gonna be sauced up. You gonna be sauced up. Sauced up, boy, I'm telling you right now. Alright. But these shirts look so big, but they not. I don't know why, but I gotta, you know, I like this shirt because, you know, Space TV. I'm just playing. And this is not why I got this shirt. But yeah, I like it. You know, astronaut. Future. I was so lame, bro. But yeah, I like this shirt, bro. It's alright, bro. Like I said again, once you put it together with some hard jeans, some hard shoes, you're gonna have that shirt. I got another, bro. I bought 3 astronaut shirts, bro. 3 astronaut shirts. This one white too. I like this one better. I like this one. Let me see that, man. What that's right? Oh, get with the program. Yeah, I like this better. I like the colors on it. Yeah, well, I'm not, I'm not giving y'all too much drip. I'm not showing y'all. I got a whole, in that closet behind me, bro, I got a whole bunch of new clothes that I ain't even put on yet. Like, that shit is crazy, bro. I got so much clothes. Don't even know. Like, I'm telling you, like, on this bed, like, on the side right here, it's a basket full of clothes, bro, that I haven't put up. Yeah, I like this orange shirt. I don't got no orange shirt. I like the little astronaut on that bit. You know, that bitch say, that be hard, throw some. Bro, to me, it look like, not look like, but to me, it seems like if you have some hard pants, bro, your whole fit would be A1. That's it. But I just bought this shirt just to probably like. I bought this shirt just to probably like wear like around the house or something, A little tie-dye shirt that say Savage. Ain't nothing too special about this shirt or whatever. But I just like I don't really got no tie-dye shirt. But yeah, it's something light and simple, Savage. But I'm telling you though, like, anybody can have clothes, bro, but it all depends on how you wear them. I mean, you can be the ugliest nigga and have the best, you can have the best drip in the world. It depends on how you wear your clothes, how you style your clothes, all that. You don't gotta buy all that expensive shit. Some of these websites, they be having deals. Bro, I'm telling you, deals gonna help you out, boy. All that shit cost me like let me remember the price. It was $235. Yeah, bro. I got all that shit for $235, bro. I'm telling you. Bro. Shop for deals, I'm telling you, bro. You can have the best drip in the world. You shop for deals. I'm telling you, but listen, man, I'm out, bro. I gotta go hang all these clothes up, and I don't want to. Gotta buy more hangers, cause I got more stuff. I got more clothes coming in, got more shoes coming in. I'm gonna do a shoe unboxing. I don't know how to say it. Well, I'm gonna do a video when my 2 pair of shoes come in. Yeah, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share this video. I might upload another video later today. But I'm out.